I tried SafePal's wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I picked up the SafePal's wallet, I expected just another cold storage device. But after 7 days of testing, the shocking truth is that the small gadget packs institutional level security into something you can fit in your pocket. On day 1, I unboxed it. No cables, no Wi-Fi, no Bluetooth. That's right. This never connects to the internet. Instead, it uses QR codes to sign and send transactions. Most people get this wrong, but this design actually makes it more secure because your private keys never touch an online network. By day 2, I linked it with the SafePal app. Process was simple: scan a few codes, verify your wallet, and boom, I was ready to manage over 30 supported tokens across multiple blockchains. Midweek, I sent some crypto from my main wallet to test it. The transaction required physical confirmation on the device, plus PIN verification. Even if someone hacked my phone, I'd still need the hardware wallet in hand to move anything. That gave me real peace of mind. By day 6, I tried staking and swapping through the app. It integrates with Binance and DeFi protocols, meaning you can trade, stake, or earn without giving up control of your private keys. After 7 days, the shocking truth about the SafePal became clear. It's not just a hardware wallet, it's a complete security ecosystem. It's designed for people who want top-level protection without the usual technical struggle. If you've been worrying about hackers or leaving your crypto on exchanges, SafePal might just be your safest upgrade yet. Offline, uncompromising, and built for the modern crypto world, it proves that real security doesn't have to be complicated.